everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're out in the garden again. This is part 2 of it. We've got all this area to clear up and sort out, so we're not going to waste any time because the sun is coming out today. We had a bit of rain yesterday, so that's why we never got out here. So we're just going to see what we can do today before it gets too hot. Got a pair of gloves, so we're going to carry on with that, and then we'll show you the progress as we go along. Please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So we're going to get on with things and then see how it goes. Right everybody, so we just made a start and I got hold of this and I wanted to show you something, how these things can grow. You see, this end has got a root here. Look, our cameraman come in. That bit's got a root, and then every single one of these nodes where these branches go along, if this was running along the ground, every single one of these is a new plant ready, is another thing. So if this was touching the ground now, you would be in problem. How many of these would you have to pull out? So I just thought I'll show you that quickly, because that's it, rooting at the end. This was the end, what was touching the ground, and then the rest of it is running, and if you break off one of these, it's a new plant, but I think it's just a weed. I don't think it's an important plant. So get that crunched up. It's got all thorns and everything in there, so we'll get started. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we're still at it. We're just getting all these weeds out of these pots so I can put them back into place. You can see how much that tree grew. Don't know why it grows so fast, but managed to get it out and left my, I think it's a rhododendron, one of the big rhododendron which have the big flower heads. So we're getting there. So what I've got to do now is just get all these, we forgot the sieve at the allotment. So all it is now is putting these pots back into place. I've got to top them up, put some new plants in them. All these ones got to just weed up as well. Get some new plants into these. Then once get some new plants into these, then we can get going in the garden as well. Once I've got tidied up, might put some different things out here as well. Some more veg plants. I'm going to be putting in my sweet potatoes soon as well. I always plant sweet potatoes in my garden as well, so this year I've got those big round tubs. I've got three of them, I think, and I've got those other pots and this pot, so I might chuck some in there as well. So keep watching, like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave comments in the comment section. we're going to carry on with this, and I'm going to show you how far we get today. My back is just playing up today. I'm not 100%, I don't know why. Woke up this morning feeling it, not really 100, but you still carry on doing what you can. So we're going to put these things back and get some of this cleared up if we can, and see where we go from there. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we more or less got everything down to where we want it. I've just got this side to do now. Cut down this grapevine. It's got a lot of bunches of grapes on it, but they're the small grapes, so I think they were the black ones. One's black and one's green. I can't remember if they were here when we came, which is about 30-40 years old. But every time I keep cutting it down and it just comes back, so it looks like it doesn't want to go. So all we've got now is just this side to do and clear out these bags. Don't know when that's going to be. Got these bags, and then I've got to bring the sieve. Next time I go down the allotment, I've got to bring the sieve this, get all these compost out of these pots and sieve it, so I can get my sweet potatoes and tomatoes and whatever in them. I noticed the garden's got more slugs and snails than the thing. I can't show you because I've put them all in salted water just to get rid of them, because I don't want them coming back in the garden again. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I know it's not a long one, it's not a very interesting one, but please like, share and subscribe, watch the ads, leave comments in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. Still got a few pots to empty and tidy up, but that ain't going to take no time. Once I get the sieve the dirt through, it's just putting things back into place, and then we're good to go. So that's the garden. So I might do a part 3 on this, just to clear up this and get it all tidied up and everything, get all these sticks out. My back can't take no more at the moment. Don't know, woke up this morning not feeling 100%, but we'll get there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.